How to fix if keeps vibrating on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on continue, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. Download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.